To Roslyn Franken for coming and doing her It's Meant to Be presentation. Powerful message of perseverance for our kids who need that so much today. Overheard several of our students coming up and hugging her after the presentation and talking about their own connections to their family stories of the Holocaust and World War II. Some tears were shed, some hugs were happening. It was powerful. Thank you, Roslyn.
You are all extremely important. What you think and feel totally matters. And the good news is, guess what? You are all in the driver's seat. When you see and hear other people say and do things out of prejudice and hate just because of the color of someone's skin, their religious beliefs, how they dress, how they look, what their sizes, whatever it is that makes them different from you, brighter future is also what it's meant to be. Thank you.